In previous lessons, we created the first parts of the tic-tac-toe game. Today we are going to create the third part of this game. I have now finished creating the first parts of the tic-tac-toe game we created in the previous lessons. Check out the 68 and 69 designs using the Thunkable.com website now. From here on, we'll add parts to the same design and improve it a bit more. See, in the previous lessons, we designed the screen as needed and created the code for it. First, we created the variables needed for the game. Next, we created the code to make necessary components visible and hide unnecessary components during the game. Also, we have now finished creating the code to change the text of this button. When you click on a button in the grid according to the characters selected by player 1 and player 2. Next is to create the code to win the game. Let's click the live test button and see how the game is playing so far. I will select O from here. Now player 1 has selected letter O. Therefore, player 2 gets the letter X. Now I click on this button. Here the letter O was displayed. Next, it's player 2's turn. I click on a button again. Player 2 gets the letter X. So the letter X is displayed here. Again, it's player 1's turn. I click on a button again. The letter O was displayed here. Okay, like this player 1 and player 2 take turns. Therefore, you can click on a desired box and the letter you have received will be displayed in that box. Now let's see what needs to be done to win this game. If a row of letters X or a row of letters O can be displayed vertically, horizontally or across this grid, the corresponding player wins the game. In this instance, if a row of letters O is created vertically, horizontally or across like this, player 1 wins. Or if a row of X letters is created in that way, player 2 wins. Now let's see what are the button names required. If the same letter is to be displayed horizontally, vertically or diagonally like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can create a row of letters horizontally in these buttons. Also, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9. You can create a vertical row of these letters in these buttons. Or 1, 5, 9 or 3, 5, 7. In these buttons, you can create a line of letters diagonally. Here, among these methods, if in any way the same letter can be created to be in a row, that player wins the game. Now let's create the code for this. I click this close button and go to the blocks tab.